Hello traders, welcome to Domain FX. Today's trading, I'm going to share about the strategy, killer strategy of volatility 75 index. Guys, this strategy is so powerful. It made for me some good cash. As I told you before, I'll never share a strategy that have not back tested it before and has not made for me good money. Guys, for this strategy to make for you money and thank me later. As I told you in Forex, we should not be selfish. Whatever I get, I share to you guys. Whatever strategy I reveal, whatever strategy I make, I have to share with you. Let's make money, guys. Today's strategy is teaching all about how to trade volatility 75 index, guys. Okay, let's jump into the action before we go far, guys. Okay, I'm gonna start with putting indicators to my trading platform, guys. If you have not yet got any account to trade indices, guys, I just recommend you go on and register with deriv and get an account of indices, start trading indices. Okay, guys, we're gonna start with indicators, and they have indicator number one, which is envelopes. Envelopes will be on our main chart. And here we go, guys. So the setups for envelopes is the period. Period is 40. Period 40. Shift to 0. The diversion, I'll put it on 0.300. Then method, you have to put it on a linear weight, guys. Be careful with these setups, because if you put wrong setups, they'll be giving you wrong signals. You end up losing your money, guys. So go on, apply to close. Then the upper band, you put it on 3 pixels, color green. Lower band, 3 pixels, color white. Or you can put it on 1 pixel, color white. No levels, guys. Then from there, just press done. I think you can see how our envelopes look like. You see, guys. Okay, have another indicator which I'm gonna apply to. So we go, you press on the main chart here, press on plus, you come down and you're going to add on MACD, guys. MACD. So the first EMA MACD, it is 15. You change from 12 or anyone to anywhere you have, put it in 15. The second, which is slow EMA, is 26. MACD SMA is 10. Then apply to close. Sorry, apply to high, not close. Apply to high. Styles, we have mine. You just change to 3 pixels, then color green. Guys, be careful with this. Then signal, 3 pixels, color red. Then no levels, guys. Then after that, you just press done. And this is how our indicators look alike. So before we go far, I'm going to tell you the zoom level. The zoom level, you zoom all out, and you zoom once, zoom twice, zoom 3 times. That's all we're going to do, guys. So let me start with explaining you how the strategy is going to work. So here you see, actually there is a good money here, good money. Look at this, guys. Look at this, guys. You come down on your MACD, you wait your MACD, you wait your signal line, which was red, to cross over the MACD line. The MACD lines, guys. If it crosses over, it goes out. Then we are looking, and the MACD should be up on the overbought levels. And when you see a MACD has crossed over, you go on your main chart here, you check your envelope line, envelopes. Then this one, the MACD gives you opportunity to enter the market. Also the envelopes, you wait for the signal from the envelopes. After getting the signal from envelopes, the envelopes should cross. If you're looking for selling opportunities, the envelopes should cross over above the candlesticks on volatility 75, and you enter the market immediately. First, take profit, guys. I recommend you take your profits when the signal line reaches at 50 level. 50 level, take profits, guys. You can wait for it to cross over, but 50 level, take profits. That's it. I think you have got it. What I mean, you wait for the signal line to cross over. When you're looking for selling opportunities, you wait for the signal line to cross above, to cross over the MACD. When it after crossing, you go on your mindset, you wait for your envelopes to cross above, the candlesticks, and you start looking for selling opportunities, guys. I recommend you to go on read about books, go on learn more about price action, because with price action, guys, I tell you, this is my secret, and this is something that I have never told anyone before. But with price action, we will milk the market. You'll milk the market without saying anything. Okay, let's continue. Let's do some back test with this strategy, guys. Let's do some back test with this strategy, guys. You see here, you're looking for selling opportunities. See, the MACD, the signal line crossed above the MACD. Then you go on the mind chart, you see the envelopes crossed below, they crossed above the candlesticks, and there was huge selling opportunity, guys. The huge money, guys. Guess what, guys? From here up to here, you're looking for money. You see, I recommend you to always take profits when the signal line reaches level 50. And look at this money, guys. Trust the strategy, just trust the strategy, guys. Let's do more back test. I think you can see, guys, have nothing much to say now. You see, this is money, guys. This is money. Too many FX is giving you money. You see, guys, see our envelopes, you see our MACD. This is money. And what I can tell you, guys, always when you're trading this, follow the trend. Why am I not showing you buying opportunities? We don't have buying opportunities because the trend is downtrend. Let's cross check and confirm. You see, guys, this is what I'm telling you. The trend is a downtrend. You see, all the way from here, it is a downtrend. Always follow a trend. The trend is a downtrend, and when you go to our 1 minute time frame, that means you'll be looking for selling opportunities, more selling opportunities than buying opportunities, guys. Okay, let's get and do an uptrend and we test and see. So here, guys, when you let's get here. See, this is an uptrend from here up to here. Let's go look for buying opportunities on 1 minute. 1 minute. So we go this side, guys. We go. Looking for 1 minute buying opportunities, guys. Here it is. See, guys, the trend, the line crossed below the MACD, and we look for buying opportunities. Here we got money, guys. Here we got money. You see, here we got money. Here money coming, guys. So go do back test on this strategy. You can even apply it on 5 minutes. You can even apply it on 1 minute, guys. Go do back test on this strategy, guys. You don't want to make the video so long. Thank you, guys, for watching. Thank you for loving Too Many FX. Always what I tell you, guys, share the channel, like the channel, subscribe to the channel. Always do whatever you can, and we grow this channel, guys. Always give you the best strategies to crash indices, to crash synthetic indices, guys, to crash deriv. Let's make deriv, so make money, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for loving us. Too Many FX. One love. I sign out. Peace.